Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to connect to Hotspot on iPhone. So if you don't want to use your iPhone cellular data or mobile data and you want to connect to a hotspot on your iPhone or Wi-Fi on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to connect to Hotspot on your iPhone, there are two ways to do it. You can just swipe down the control center, then locate the Wi-Fi button, click on it, and let your iPhone search for available network. So once your iPhone can find out there is a hotspot available, then go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to type in the hotspot password. Alternatively, you can also go through your iPhone settings by opening the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, locate and click on Wi-Fi. Once you selected the Wi-Fi, then if Wi-Fi is disabled on your iPhone, go ahead and then turn on Wi-Fi itself. Now if you see a list of network available for you, then click on any of the networks you want to connect to. These are the hotspots you want to connect your iPhone to. Then you'll be prompted to type in the password. Once you type in the hotspot password, go ahead and click on the join button at top right. And if the password is correct, your iPhone will be connected to the hotspot. And then if you hit the back button and you come back to your control center, then you should see your iPhone connected to a hotspot. You see that? So that is basically how to connect hotspot on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.